Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2019 Kia Forte, and here is the problem. Stay tuned, guys. What? This thing just fell. Okay. All right. So, this guy's supposed to be over here, right? She fell. I'm just gonna put something here, but the switch is right here. Alright guys, so here is the part number. Let's go ahead and open this up so we can figure how this guy is gonna get out from the door panel. Okay, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clip that we have to undo. All right. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Do we have pin tension?
Pin tension, yeah.
Kits? Different pins. Want to make sure their tension is good?
Yeah. So, just gonna use this one to spread it out. This one too. And just gonna use this pocket screwdriver. Please don't break. It's supposed to be there, yep. Maybe I'll put this one there. I need another one. Alright, this one might help. careful, don't break it. I'll put this one here so I can use this. There we go. Can we press it out now? No, it seems like still holding it. Okay. There's one more here though. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. Dang it. Okay. Try that. Try this. And hopefully this guy and this guy. Okay, there we go. There we go. Ow! Jeffrey!
Hey, I'm done.
Why?
Because I forgot it.
It's all good, buddy. Like what I told you, we still have tomorrow.
I know. I'm going to put it, when I get home, I'm going to put it in my backpack.
There we go. That works.
It's funny, because she set it in my spot, so I moved it over so I could eat.
Yeah, next thing you know, holy shit, you forgot it.
Yeah. I was already on the highway coming back, and I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, hey, I forgot that.
It's all good.
Oh, man.
We still have tomorrow.
What are you doing this weekend?
Getting ready.
Yeah,
Yeah, getting ready.
I remember that.
Yeah.
What are you replacing?
This switch. But it needs at least 6 hands, I guess.
Need help?
Um,
You want me to push it out for the end of the week?
maybe if you can push it out. Oops. Okay.
I'm trying not to break a tab.
Yeah. That's all. It's only like 6
Oh,
down.
no, right. What about, is that
Oh,
out?
this one's still holding right there. Come on.
Okay.
Right?
Oh.
This one?
Oh. What's holding?
Oh, no. Oh shit, now start over. You know what? Let's start over here because this is the one causing a lot
Okay.
of problem. So, okay, where is the other? Okay, here we go.
I like your.
So if I put this right
Okay.
there, then this guy,
This should push.
then there's another one, and
That one. Right?
that one. And then there's one more here. This guy. Right?
Okay, that's out.
This guy.
That's out.
Come on. What the hell? Oh, you pushing. Okay, cool.
I
Because
was
look.
pushing. I was pushing on this side.
Yeah, we should get. Oh, we should get. Oh, you know what?
So,
So if sitting right here, no, it's gonna sit like right there.
so there's 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4, 5, 6.
which is we got them all. If we do that, there we go. Right?
Yeah.
What the heck?
It's like there's a.
There's one more holding it.
Like the front's all released.
Yeah. What else? Oh, there we go.
Okay, hold on. Let's bring
Okay.
this one now.
Oh, there we go. Woo!
That was
It
tough.
needs how many tools and how many people?
6 pry bars and 4 hands.
I know, right?
And I was pushing this up there like, I don't want to go back down.
All right.
Okay, have fun.
Well, thank you. Now, let's put this in. It's gonna go this way? No. This way. Yeah? Yeah. I think so. Let's double check it. I forgot. Yep, it's gonna go that way. So all we have to do is press this down. Cool. It's a lot easy to put it in. Alright. Oops. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix it. How? Just put something there, right? Yeah. I don't want this thing rattled. Let's check this one first. Broke this one. We just need one more of this and fix this guy right here. Alright, so I got this to put in. Whoa, it doesn't want to go in. Is it the wrong one? I got the wrong one. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. Hopefully I'm not gonna break it. I did not. Cool. Okay. Alright, we're back in business. That one goes in. And this one goes right there. And I got my glue gun. Here we go. There we go. Now I can put this thing in. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead, put this back. Cool. Turn this on. There's my key. Okay guys, let's try it. So this one's supposed to be auto down. There we go. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. No self auto down. There we go. Make sure all of them works. Yep. Mirror, good. Well, we didn't touch that, but just want to double check it. Alright guys, this is Fix. Have a great day. Bye.